Hi, to all. Class number 2 already first class completed, 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Now this is the second class, my second class. Previous session discussed about programming language knows what concepts. Uh, mm, Next, arithmetic operators. Next, the first C program. Next, the printf syntax. Until that we discussed. Now this class topic, variable declaration statements and relational logical operators, so on. Come to board. I'm doing like this: void main body open, a equals to 10 semicolon printf percentage d a body close, run. Is it valid program? No. Error. When we submitted this code to the compiler is reading. And one thing, hash include, I didn't give an hash include. When hash include is required, that already discussed in the previous session. TC compiler, it is optional. If you are using TC compiler to practice C, be conscious with extension .c. Other than .c, it is going to consider as a C++ program. .cpp by default extension is taking as .cpp, maintain extension of .c. when we submitted this code to the compiler, void main body open body close equal to 10 printf, everything is understandable by the compiler. About here there is no information. Immediately error, the error message is undefined symbol a, undefined symbol a. That means before using any variable, we need to tell to the compiler what it is for what we are going to use. That is called variable declaration statement. Right now, to avoid error, the required statement here is int space a semicolon. Now a is variable of type integer. Next, a equal to 10, print a percentage a. Yeah, fine. When we run it, output is 10. It is valid. In C, can we create variables anywhere in the program? No. Only at the in C++ anywhere, whenever you want. About C++, I will discuss later. Concentrate about C only. In C, variable declarations need to be at the beginning of the body. Body means curly braces open. I'm doing like this: int a. Next, int I and the int is a keyword. Int a. Next, a equal to 10. Printf %d a, main body closed. I written as pf. It is printf, printf, printf. Right now, fine. This is valid program. When we run, output is 10. Int b equal to 20, something. Right now, it is error. As I mentioned before, variable declaration need to be there at the beginning of the body. Right now, it is there at the middle, so it is error. Right now, the error message is declaration is not allowed here. Day 1 to day last, follow the error messages. Based on the error message, we are there in a position to debug the application. Right now, it is error. The error message declaration is not allowed here. Declaration is not allowed here. Not accepted. Error. This need to be there at the beginning. Suppose if this line is not there, still error, undefined symbol b. Here print %d a comma b. I want to print both. Error message undefined symbol b. Can we create variable here? B, yes. Here, yes. Here, no. Error message declaration not allowed here. Compiler is not going to tell to us as Babu go up, declare there. No, declaration is not allowed here. That's it. Can we create a variable like this? Int b, yes, fine. Now it is valid program. Output is 1020. Next, I'm doing like this. Int I. Right now I is variable of type integer. Float f. Float is a keyword to create float variable. F is a float variable. Next, printf. Printf. I written as pf. Printf. Printf. Printf %d to print integer. The format specified %d. One more printf statement. Printf %f. F. I want to print the value of f. Here two variables are created. The names are I and f. I didn't give any value to these two variables. Initially, these two variables contains garbage values. Right now, output is garbage and garbage. Anything other, maybe some junk values. Garbage value, garbage float value. Next, I equals to 5, f equals to 5. I assign 5 to I. Same thing to f. Now output is 5, 5.0. All basic data types you can assign each together. Internally equivalent value is going to be assigned. I is integer variable, everything is assigned comfortably. F is float variable, equivalent float value, nothing but 5.0. So output is 5, 5.0. I'm going to assign 5.3 and here also 5.3. 5.3 to I, same thing to F. Now output is 5, 5.3. Answer 5, 5.3. I is integer variable. So when we do like this, only integer part is assigned. F is float variable, everything is assigned. So output is 5, 5.3. Next, I'm going to assign 5 by 2 to I, 5 by 2 to F, 5 by 2 to I, and 5 by 2 to F. Yes, answer 2.5 is wrong. Answer 2.0. Be careful. Come to this second expression, f equal to 5 by 2, f equals to 5 divided by 2. Here the confusions. Back to the last class. My class 1, I discussed about arithmetic operators. Class 1, part 1. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, both are integers, output is integer. Anyone is float, output is float. Already I discussed in my first part. Leave about what data type it is. Focus about this expression. This is it integer or float? Integer. And this is also integer. Both are integers. Output is integer. That means the division operator returns integer value. So 5 by 2, it is replaced with integer, nothing but 2. It is not replaced with 2 point something. It is replaced with 2. Next, think about which type of variable we collected. Now f is float variable, so f became 2.0. Be careful. Expression is giving what and which type of variable we are going to collect it. Even the f has capacity to hold the fractions. We're getting problem with this expression itself. So f is 2.0. Suppose 5.0 by 2 assigned to I and assigned to f. This expression gives 2.5. If you assign to I, integer part is assigned, so 2. Float means 2.5. 5 by 2.0. Say 2.5. 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Answer 0, 0.0. Be careful. 2 by 5, both are integers. So this expression returns 0 only. It gives 0. If you collect in float variable, it became 0.0. 2.0 by 5. This is different. Now 0 and 0.4. The confusions will be this place and this place. Be careful. Here it is 2.0. Here it is 0.0. Always expression is giving what and which type of variable we are going to, expression is giving what and where we are going to collecting it. Next, come to identifier. Identifier means name. Right now, here in this program, we have two variables are there with the name I and F. Two variables are there, nothing but two identifiers with the name I and F. Beginning stage, we are going with the variable names, future function names, pointer names, array names, string names, structure names, name, which is valid name, which is not valid name. My name Kalyan, institute name Kalyan IT. name, identifier means name. Keyboard contains a number of symbols. N number of symbols. Is every symbol is accepted name? No, only alphabets. Identifier must start with alphabet or underscore, and all operators and separators are not allowed. Operators means plus, minus, greater than, less than, those things. And maximum length 32. My name Kalyan, 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 length 6. Like that, the maximum length 32. Identifier must start with alphabet or underscore. Alphabet means A, B, C, D, A to Z. And all operators, separators are not accepted, not allowed. And maximum length 32. Now I'm going to release some examples. Guess whether that is valid or not valid. Assume that I'm there at the beginning of the program, beginning of the body, creating a variable like this, int A. Yes, obviously it is valid. One more variable, int B. Yes, valid. One more variable like this, int C. Yes, fine. Here, three variables are created. The names are ABC. Single shot in a single line. Who can do like this? Int A, comma B, comma C. Fine. To create a number of variables in a single line by using comma. Right now, three variables A, B, C. All are variables of type integers. Three variables are created. Next, doing like this. Int sal. Can we create a variable like this? Yes. Right now, variable is created. One variable, the name is sal. The length 3. Like this, the maximum length 32. Next, doing like this. Int if. Is it valid? No. Because if is a keyword, it is a reserved word. We can't use as an identifier. Doing like this. Int capitalize small f. Yes. Programming language is case sensitive. This is different. This is different. Yes, we can do like this. Next. Int 5, comma 6, comma 7. Nonsense. Identifier must start with alphabet or underscore. Here I started with the digits, not accepted. Int 1a, comma 2a, comma 3a. No, must start with alphabet or underscore. Next, int a1, comma a2, comma a3. Fine, we can do like this. Now three variables are created. The names are a1, a2, a3. Next, doing like this. Int total minus symbol sal. Is it valid? No. As I mentioned before, all operators and separators not. This is operator, not accepted. Minus symbol not accepted. Next, doing like this. Int total underscore sal. Yes, who can do like this? One variable is created. The name is total. This is underscore sal. Next, doing like this. Int t space yes. No. Space is separator, not accepted. Next, doing like this. Int underscore s1 underscore s2 underscore s3. Yes, fine. Three variables created. Identifier must start with alphabet or underscore, and all operators and separators are not allowed. Maximum length 32. Next, come to the back to operators. Previous class, my class 1 discussed about arithmetic operators. Now, some more new I want to introduce relational and logical operators. Relational means less than, greater than, those things. Logical means and or those things. Back to the precedent chart. With the previous operators, with these new operators, going with the precedent chart. First category goes to parenthesis, second category not, third one multiplication, division, modulus, next addition, subtraction, next less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, next equality, not equal to, next logical and, next logical or. I'm going to place one more question mark colon. About this we'll discuss later. Next assignment. Total number of operators, my first class 44. Right now am I placed 44 here? No. Among those all 44, these are all the general basic operators which we need to use rigorously more for the starting stage programming. After a couple of days, couple of classes, I'm going to release some more operators. Almost according to my teaching, almost after 10 classes only, I'm going to release the total operators chart 44. According to maths, the terminology operators, arithmetic operators, relational, logical, like this. Whereas according to number of arguments, my first class, number of arguments, all operators divided into three categories: unary, binary, ternary. Only one argument means unary, two means binary, three means ternary. According to maths, arithmetic, relational, logical. According to number of arguments, unary, binary, ternary. This comes under, I'm going with a small font yeah, to use the space effectively. I need more space for explanation. Unary, from this place to this place, and this one also binary. Binary, two arguments. The last but one, it is ternary. Ternary, the name of this operator is conditional operator. Last but one. According to maths, specifically these five are called arithmetic, these six are called relational, these two and this one, these three logical. Logical, is it visibility is there? Okay. This is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equality. Double equal symbol is called equality. Check whether both are same or not. This is not equal. This is and or not livable. The logical focus about relational. All relational logical operators always returns 1 or 0. If the expression is true, operator returns 1, else 0. And every non-zero is true, 0 is false. Book, pen, paper. Take these points. First point, all relational logical operators always returns 1 or 0. Second point, if the expression is true, operator returns 1, else 0. Last point, every non-zero is true, 0 is false. True, false. 0 is false. 1 is true, 2 is true, minus 5 is true, 0.01 is true, 85 is true. Every non-zero is true, 0 is false. Come to the behavior of the operators. Always operators take something, nothing but we're going to give something. Those things are called as arguments, and internally it is replaced with a value that is called a returned value. Given expression like this, a equals to 5 plus 4. Assume that one variable is existed, the name is a, given like this. Now the value of a is 9. Here in this expression, two operators came, assignment and addition. Among these two, high priority goes to addition. Placing operators like this line by line is called precedence chart. My first class. Precedence chart. In precedence chart, same line, same precedence. Compare it to previous line. Compare to next line, previous line, high priority. Compare to next line, previous line, high priority. That means multiplication division. Vice versa, any sequence you can place. Both have same precedence. Same precedence means whichever will come first, that going to take root first. Compared to these, those high priority. Here plus high priority, addition operator, two arguments, left side one, right side one, and immediately internal it is replaced with the value nothing but 9. Next assignment is executed. At that time, right side 9 is there, that is assigned here. Now right side 9 is there. A equals to 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Left, right, two arguments, and it is replaced with the value nothing but 9. Now assignment is executed. At that time, right side 9 is there. Now 9 is assigned to A. Now the value of A is 9. Excuse, here visibility not there kada. Wait 1 second. I want to change the camera settings. Yeah. This comes under unary category. Unary. Arithmetic. R means relational. Logical. This place to this place all are binary. Last but one, this comes under ternary category. Last one also binary assignment. Two arguments. Okay. All relational logical operators always returns 1 or 0. If the expression is true, operator returns 1, else 0, and every non-zero is true, 0 is false. Give an expression like this. A equals to 5 plus semicolon. Error. Error message, my first class. R value required. R value means right side. Given like this. A equals to 5 greater than 4. Yes, it is valid expression. Now the value of A is 1. All relational logical operators always returns 1 or 0. If the expression is true, it returns 1. That means this place is replaced with 1. A equals to 4 greater than 5. 0. A equals to 5 greater than semicolon. Nonsense. Error. R value required. A equals to 4 less than 5. 0. Sorry. 4 less than 5. 1. A equals to 4 equals to 4. This is called assignment. This is called equality. Need to check whether both are same or not. Yes, both are equal. 1. A equals to 4 not equals to 4. 0. A equals to 4 not equals to 5. Yes, 1. A equals to 5 greater than or equal to 5. This is greater than or equal to. Yes, 1. A equal to 6 greater than or equal to 8. 0. Next. A equals to 5 greater than 4 greater than 3. Answer. The value of A is 1 is wrong. Be careful. When it is required to compare the relation between more than 2, we are going with logical combination. We need to go with a logical combination. That means expression need to be 5 greater than 4 and 4 greater than 3. Expression need to be like that, and we're going to place like that only. Suppose if you frame any expression like this, it looks true, but it became false. Reason here, total 3 operators. Assignment greater than. Obviously, assignment last priority, go for greater than, same priority, so left right. First 5 greater than 4 will be executed. It is replaced with 1 greater than 3. Internal expression became like this: 1 greater than 3 means 0. It became false. Be careful. It became 0. Come to so popular another beautiful programming language, Java. In Java, if you frame expression like this, 5 greater than 4 greater than 3, in Java there is a terminology Boolean type. That means in Java, 5 greater than 4 is replaced with true, T-R-U-G, true. True greater than 3. What nonsense? Immediately error in Java. So comfort. Error is coming means somebody is telling a mistake. If someone is telling a mistake, you can go there, you can modify the code. Java, it is error. Here it becomes 0. C is not that so friendly programming language. To develop a program, to develop application, when we are going to compare C and Java, which is more beautiful, which is more comfortable programming language to a programmer? Java, not C. Java is close to the developer, programmer. C is close to the system. Intention of C is different, intention of Java is different. C, the programming language defined by the great person Dennis Ritchie. It is performance based programming. C is a rocket speed, super fast. We can't compare C performance with any another language. Obviously, compared to Java, C is super fast. Java is more comfort to develop application. C, not that so easy. And debugging, we need to be more conscious. Day 1 to day last, follow the zero non-zero concept carefully. In C, same. C++ is superset of C. No need to specify every time C and C++ like that. Here, every non-zero is true, 0 is false, and all relational logical operators CL always returns 1 or 0, 1 0, 1 or 0. If the expression is true, operator returns 1 else 0. Here, this became 0. Suppose given expression like this: A equals to 5 greater than 4 plus 5 greater than 4. First, what is the answer? 2 is wrong. 5 greater than 4 plus 5 greater than 4. Given expression like this, according to precedence, first arithmetic, after that only relational remaining things. That means go with plus. First plus is going to be executed. So internal expression became like this: 5 greater than 9 greater than 4. 5 greater than 9 is 0. 0 greater than 4 means 0. Suppose given expression like this: A equals to 5 greater than 4, brackets, 5 greater than 4, inside brackets. It is very clear. 1 plus 1. It is replaced with 1. 1. Answer 2. Next, A equals to 3 greater than 2 greater than 1 greater than 0 greater than minus 1. Answer 1. No need any serious calculation, just think logically. The center thing is replaced with maybe 1, maybe 0, 1 or 0. 1 or 0 always greater than the negative value, right? Right corner I given negative value. So result is 1. Answer 1. Anyway, we are not going to frame any expressions like this. But we need to be there in a position to analyze each pinpoint, whether it is valid or not valid. If it is valid, why it is valid, what is going to be happen internally. If it is not valid, why it is not valid. That's it. Okay.